Let's fix those annoying automated reminders in Gmail right now. Start by opening your desktop browser, navigating to Gmail, and logging into your account. Once your main inbox loads, look up at the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. A quick navigation panel will pop up on the right side, but you need to go ahead and click on the button that says See All Settings near the very top of that pane. This brings you straight to the main configuration page, landing on the General tab automatically. From here, scroll down through the list until you locate the specific section clearly labeled Nudges. In this area, you will notice two distinct options, each accompanied by a checkbox. The top option is Suggest Emails to reply to. When this feature is active, Gmail automatically scans your inbox for older conversations you might have missed and pushes those messages back up to the top of your inbox list with a small text prompt next to them. The second option, right underneath, is Suggest Emails to follow up on, which analyzes sent messages that have gone unanswered for a few days and resurfaces them so you do not forget to check back in. Now, that goes both ways when it comes to organizing your workflow. The important thing is deciding how much assistance you actually want. If you leave these boxes toggled on, Gmail keeps your active threads visible, but your inbox can quickly feel cluttered with old conversations popping back up out of nowhere. If you toggle both options off by unchecking the boxes, your inbox stays completely quiet and chronological, but you lose the automated safety net that catches forgotten replies. In my case, unchecking both keeps things clean, but choose whichever combination fits your personal routine best. Once you have made your selection, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. If you click away or close the tab before saving, Gmail discards your adjustments entirely. Also, if you manage multiple accounts, keep in mind these toggles apply individually per inbox, so you will need to repeat this quick process for every email address you use. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.